Welcome fellow foodies. Today, we're taking a delectable journey through the history of Thai cuisine, tracing its origins from ancient times to modern day. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a feast for the eyes and taste buds. Early influences. The roots of Thai cuisine can be traced back to ancient times, when migrants from southern China began settling in what is now Thailand. Over time, trade with neighboring countries like India, Malaysia, and Vietnam introduced new spices and ingredients, leading to the development of unique Thai flavors and cooking techniques. Royal influence. The royal family played a significant role in shaping Thai cuisine. During the Ayutthaya Kingdom, 1351 to 1767, palace chefs experimented with new ingredients and created elaborate dishes to impress foreign dignitaries. These dishes, which emphasize sweet, sour, and salty flavors, have since become a hallmark of Thai cuisine. Thai street food is an essential part of the country's culinary scene, with vendors selling a vast array of savory and sweet dishes. Popular street food items include pad thai, satay, som tam, papaya salad, and mango sticky rice. These dishes are often affordable, flavorful, and quick to prepare, making them perfect for people on the go. Regional variations. Thailand is divided into 4 main regions, each with its unique culinary traditions. Northern Thai cuisine, for example, is known for its use of herbs and spices, while Southern Thai cuisine is spicier and often includes seafood. Central Thai cuisine, which is the most well-known globally, blends flavors from across the country and features dishes like green curry, tom yum soup, and pad thai. Modern Thai cuisine. In recent years, Thai cuisine has undergone a bit of a renaissance, as young chefs experiment with new flavors and techniques. This has led to the creation of modern Thai dishes like fusion sushi rolls, Thai-style burgers, and even Thai-inspired cocktails. However, many of these new dishes still pay homage to traditional Thai flavors and ingredients. Conclusion. And there you have it, a brief but tantalizing tour through the history of Thai cuisine. We hope this animated journey has whetted your appetite for all things Thai, and inspired you to explore this rich culinary heritage for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie, there's always something new and exciting to discover in the world of Thai food. So go forth, eat and enjoy.